Hey guys, and welcome back to Sketchbook Sunday. Oh, sorry, I had a brain fart. It's January 2nd as I record this, and for a second there I was like, oh, is this my first video of 2019? But no, it's not. So yeah, I got a new webcam on Black Friday a while ago. I wasn't really, I've always kind of wanted a better camera to record traditional art, but since traditional art isn't like the main thing, I never, thought to actually invest in this freaking webcam, but Black Friday came along and they just all went on sale, so I was like, better now or never, you know what I mean? So yeah, I got a new webcam and I'm excited to use it more. I've had it for a little while, but I don't know, I just was waiting until I really wanted to do traditional art again, because I'm not gonna lie, Inktober kind of burnt me out on that traditional art a little bit. It does every year, so it's not shocking or anything, but yeah, and you'll have to forgive my, the new setup I have is so convenient that you don't know it's there, so I kept leaning over the drawing. And I'm on the phone here, so, my elbows are all over the place, and I'm leaning forward, so yeah, I'm really sorry. Please don't judge my hair. I had a day off, and I literally rolled out of bed and started drawing this, so, yeah. Just a quick little dragon in my sketchbook. It's a little 2-page spread. I don't really do those because I hate the seam. It just annoys me so much, and then I took a picture of it to, post it, and I just I hate it. There's no way to take a good picture of that or scan it or what, I don't know. My head, get out of the way. But yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to a little bit more traditional art videos, since this setup is so easy and the camera quality is good, and I'm a little bit more excited to record these. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.